All right, so Nibros just installed the new Billman timing chain tensioner. People have debated in comments and friends of mine whether it was piston slap or was the TCT that would rattle on startup or maybe something else. So now that the Billman TCT is installed, let's see if the cold start still has that kind of chatter to it. A little bit, but maybe less. Super. So here it is, the new paint job. At first glance it might look pretty good, but it definitely had some flaws right out of the gate. They painted without fixing the passenger front fender and some bumper damage as well as somebody backed it over a curb after this video was taken, and it was a year-long process to get them to actually fix the car. And the whole time it sat there not fully assembled, the door card as you saw and the trim. So yeah, it took a long time. You can see some of the bumper damage there, but that's why I haven't made a video in so long. But I knew the next move was to take the car, have it towed to Ahmed's shop for the right detail work to be done, have it cleaned, have it buffed, have it polished, and have it ceramic coated so the paint would be protected for the new owner. And I have a hunch you guys are going to recognize him. Finally got it back from the paint shop, but boy was it dusty. Man, I almost don't even want to sell it now. Really looking great, man. Really impressed. God, the wheels came out great already. A little more work to be done though. Oh yeah, all it needed was a quick wash and now it is gorgeous. Whoa. Ahmed is, oh my God. Always taking care of me. Wow. Laguna Blue Pearl. Wow, the mats came out perfect. How amazing. Even just his washes are good. The detailing, paint correction, ceramic coating. He does that well too, but wow.
Oh my God.
Seriously, bro, isn't that great? Yeah. Look at that. Shockingly clean now. Oh yeah. Bad camera angle, sorry, but whoa. That's nice. That's the color an S2000 should have. I'm a fan of Monte Carlo blue, but this is, whew, that's something. So Matt just bought the S2K. You happy?
Yeah, I'm stoked.
You haven't seen it since the paintwork does. Look better?
Yeah, it looks terrific. Sorry for the language.
No worries, buddy.
Astounding.
Just glad it's going to good hands.
Yeah, me too.
My buddy over here looking like Juan Wick.
Juan Wick.
Love it.
Ready to hit some VTAC.
You know it. Did the valve adjustment too, I think, since you last drove it. Pulls pretty well.
Yeah, no, I can feel, she even feels like she's got some more lower end now.
Oh yeah.
I remember this car distinctively.
It was also very hot when you drove it in Miami.
Oh yeah, that's going to make a difference too, those air intake temps.
Mm.
We go right?
Yes, right hand turn. And that's your first left at the light. So Matt bought it. It's official. Mr. Syed helped us out. Acceleration Automotive, they helped us out on a Sunday in a pinch because they knew how much it means to us, and I've done some videos here, so they wanted to help me out. Matt's taking my old tag off and he's going back to Massachusetts. Man, thank you so much for doing business with me. I promise I didn't let you borrow the car just to make you fall in love with it, but I'm glad it happened and glad it's going to a good home.
Yeah.
Very good. And you're going to see Matt's new channel start right now. Look in the description, you'll see Matt's first video introducing himself, talking about his experience, and talking about what he plans to do with the car. So Thanks for watching. Thank you for your patience. Check out the video in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.